In this video, I will show you how to send a PDF file on Instagram. First things first, open up the Google Drive app on your device if you don't have it yet. Make sure to download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once you're in, Google Drive, tap on the plus button located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, select Upload File. Next, tap on Browse so that you can navigate through your files. Now it's time to find that specific PDF file you want to send on Instagram once you've located it. Simply select it after selecting your file. Wait patiently while it uploads to Google Drive. This shouldn't take long depending on your internet speed. Once your PDF is uploaded successfully, you'll see it listed in your drive. Now look for those three little dots next to your newly uploaded file. Tap on those dots, and then select Copy Link now that you've copied the link. Exit out of Google Drive and open up your Instagram app. Go over to your DMs, scroll through your messages until you find the person you'd like to send this PDF file, to tap their name to open up a chat window in this chat window. Paste in that copied link from Google Drive by long pressing in the text field and selecting Paste from the options that appear. With everything set, hit Send. And just like that, your recipient now has access to view or download that PDF directly from their chat.